guys, welcome back to another video on my YouTube channel. Today I will be solving a past paper question on efficiency, so let's get started. Today I will be solving question 3 from the October-November 2020 session, paper 4 variant 2. The kinetic energy of air passing through a wind turbine every minute is 720,000 joules. The electrical output of the turbine is 9 amps at a potential difference of 240 volts. Calculate the efficiency percentage of the wind turbine. Alright, first let's recall the formula for efficiency. Efficiency is equal to the useful energy output divided by the total energy input and multiplied by 100 to convert it into a percentage. Next, let's write down the total energy input, 720,000 joules. But we don't have the total energy output. So to get the total energy output, we could use many formulas to get the energy, but we can see that we are given the voltage and the current, and the time is 60 seconds as we have to keep it at a steady rate by converting the minutes. Therefore, we can use the formula energy is equal to voltage times current multiplied by time. Next, just substitute in the values. That would give us 240 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 60, giving us a value of 129,600 joules. Lastly, just enter these values into the efficiency equation to get 129,000 divided by 720,000 multiplied by 100, which would leave us with the final answer of 18%. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and if you have any doubts, feel free to comment them down below. I'll be glad to answer.